back to my channel. So today's video is all about the articles, the German articles, and to be honest it is the most requested video. I have received a lot of messages on my Instagram regarding the video, regarding a video on articles. So here I am making a video on there, the, thus. So if you're already studying the language, you know that articles are a little tricky. For example, Lampe, die Lampe, der Lampe oder das Lampe. Das ist sehr schwierig. That's very difficult. So today we are going to discuss about few tricks, few rules from where we can understand, we can learn the articles for some noun. So now the articles there, the, thus basically reveal the gender of the noun. In German we have articles for all the noun. To be very honest, without an article it is very difficult to identify the gender of a noun. Okay, so just take a random example. Der Stuhl, die Lampe und das Bett. Now if you'll ask why it's die Lampe and not das Lampe, so we don't have a reason. It's just like that. You have to memorize as it is. If it's die Lampe, you have to learn die Lampe. So basically, der is for masculine, die is for feminine, das is for neutral. Okay, so let's just start the tricks, the rules. Okay, so first there. It is used for masculine person. For example, any profession which is a masculine profession. For example, examples, der Vater, der Mann, der Arzt. Name of all the weekends start with der. Zum Beispiel der Montag, der Dienstag und so weiter. The month, the name of the month. For example, der Januar, der Februar. So now it's the name of the weeks and the name of the months as well has the article der. All are masculine. And not even that, the names of the seasons also have the article der. Zum Beispiel der Winter oder der Sommer. All the seasons have the article der, masculine. Words which ends with ig. Basically nouns which ends with ig. Zum Beispiel Honig, der Honig, the honey. Words ending with ich, ish. Words ending with ish. Zum Beispiel der Abgleich, der Abgleich. Words ending with ling. Nouns ending with ling. Frühling, der Frühling. Words ending with ant. Zum Beispiel der Fabrikant, der Fabrikant. Words ending with er. Zum Beispiel der Koffer, der Koffer. So I guess that was pretty easy and it will really help you to identify the articles of a masculine noun. Now let's study the feminine. So all the feminine professions takes die. Zum Beispiel die Lehrerin. Ich bin Lehrerin. I'm a teacher. Ich bin Lehrerin. Oder ich bin Studentin. I'm a student. So all the female professions takes the article die. So examples, die Mutter, die Frau, die Lehrerin. Okay, so now the nouns which ends with Schaft. Zum Beispiel die Freundschaft, die friendship, die Freundschaft. Now the nouns which ends with heit. Zum Beispiel die Gesundheit, die Gesundheit oder die Schönheit, die Schönheit. Words ending with keit. Unabhängigkeit, Independence. Unabhängigkeit. I've been using this word in most of my videos. Ung, ung. Words ending with ung. Bedeutung. Takes the article die, feminine. Bedeutung. Words ending with ion. Zum Beispiel die Situation, die Situation, the situation, die Situation. Tät, words ending with tät. Zum Beispiel die Universität, die Universität, the university, die Universität. Also, flowers takes the article die. Zum Beispiel die Rose und die Tulpe. Die Rose und die Tulpe. Okay, so let's go on the article das. Das is used for neutral. So the first way from where you can guess the article das is the nouns which are ending with schen. Schen. Das Mädchen. Mädchen means girl. Das Mädchen. Ment. Nouns ending with ment. Das Experiment. Das Experiment. Words ending with ma. Zum Beispiel das Thema. Das Thema. Words ending with Das Museum. Das Museum. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Till then, cheers!